Today, we're driving one of Surrey, New Westminster's busiest junctions, through the Pattullo replacement project on Highway 17, over the old Pattullo Bridge, and back under the work zone on Frontage Street. Let's go. We started eastbound on Highway 17 at the south end, passed under the new bridge construction, cross the old Pattullo Bridge northbound, and then drive west on Front Street underneath the ongoing project. I drove this recently. Here's exactly what you'll see from the driver's seat. Coming in on Highway 17 eastbound, you'll immediately notice the scale of the new structures. The temporary lanes route traffic past active piers and gantries. Watch the clearance signs and the reduced speed. These areas are highly managed with traffic control. You'll pass temporary barriers, construction access roads, and large staging areas to the right. Perfect place for those crane shots if you'd like aerial footage. Keep an eye on lane shifts. They're well signed, but can feel tight at higher speeds. As we merge toward the northbound approach, we leave the immediate construction zone behind, but the views get interesting. Now we're approaching the old Pattullo Bridge itself. From here you get a direct view of the river, the city skyline, and the adjacent replacement work. The deck is narrow compared with modern bridge standards, so traffic here feels intimate. You're close to the structure and to other vehicles. Look right, and you can see the new bridge alignment rising. Massive concrete pillars and steel temporary work. Left you get the river and the shoreline industries. If you've got a stable side camera, this is a great section for slow, steady, scenic clips. Off the bridge now, heading inland towards Front Street. Front Street runs right under the project footprint here. You can see how the construction footprint affects local arteries, temporary detours, reduced lane widths, and heavy haul routes through the area. If you're filming here, watch for turning trucks and changing signal patterns. Camera stability is key because traffic lights can force stop-and-go shots. To recap, we went under the new work on Highway 17, crossed the old Pattullo northbound, and ran back under the project on Front Street. Great contrast between the aging bridge and the enormous replacement structures being built beside it. If you like the drive, hit subscribe and tell me in the comments where to drive next. See you on the road.